Good afternoon. Video message for Mike. Hello, Mike. I've laughed a lot at your last few messages. Thanks for buying the beautiful 076. So I will show her running one last time before I box her up. And the only thing I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to try to start her without hurting myself, because she's just has a knack for hurting me. Couldn't find a bar scabbard that does the whole length, but found a steel bar scabbard for you. And whenever any of the really old special saws come out or are leaving, a few almost irreplaceable girls, well actually some are irreplaceable, they come out as well. So the two girls down here are two original Titan saws, which virtually nobody ever sees in this country ever. Special. The one in the foreground, you'll notice, is guide bar on the left, similar to the Porter Cable left hand guide bar mount, ever so unusual. Jobu, Tiger, 94, saddle chain. Oh, they're spectacular. Whenever I think this saw's heavy, I come outside, I pick up one of the Tornadoes and I think, wow, men just different. Monster. Then I pick up this, I think, okay, this is fantastic. Belt drive LCS, 1950s special saw, 109cc is a variation of one of the Dolmar CCs. That's the, they do three versions of the CCs. That's the 116, the bigger one, Dodge version. R60 gear drive Clinton, virtually undocumented anywhere. The R60 G1, very unusual variation of the Husqvarna 65. Everybody kind of just defaults and thinks they're all L65s. That's a really unusual cross between an A and a B65. First one I've had like that, so she's kind of stayed here for a long time. The Crescent, or the Husqvarna E70, and then the beautiful little Mac. Look at this profile of this saw. Gear drive, McCulloch, and fantastic compression engine. Yeah, and I love those book titles. What did I like? We Dive It Down On, and the Clinton Gang, Solo Polo. Me and Julie have been laughing. Okay then, here we go. Joke, kill switch. Probably, will she need throttle lock? I don't know. I doubt it. So, not started for a couple of days. Right, let's do this with no pain. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Right, I'm going to turn the throttle lock off, just because. Oh. Mike, many thanks. I know you're going to love the saw, and I hope it's a great addition to your collection, and love to hear how you get on with the using the 08 as well, and hopefully many more deals to come for us. Stay safe. Bye for now.